BTCUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin against dollars. If you are those crypto guys who do crypto trading, then pay attention. Okay, now coming back to my channel, if you're a new guy, then subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. You can join my free Telegram if you want some free Forex signals. Check out the brokers and the prop firm here. Sign up with them, start trading. Okay, check out the link, subscribe, everything is free. Okay. Coming back to the chart here and starting with the top down approach, let's go back to weekly time frame in BTCUSD. We have taken down the previous high in BTCUSD. Okay, so don't be stupid to enter buy now. This weekly buy trend is over. We're gonna take a pullback now. Okay, so don't enter buy. Trend is up, but don't enter buy because this buy trend in weekly is over. Okay, let's get back to daily now. In daily as well, the same situation. The trend is up, but we have exhausted the uptrend now. So uptrend is complete. Now we are taking a pullback. Okay, so when to enter exactly, man? What's happening here? Let's go back to 4 hour to see what's happening. In 4 hour, pullback is happening. Okay, so I think what is going to happen is we are going to touch down this EMA. Most probably we will not break below the EMA, but we will just midi close somewhere around the EMA, or just have a rejection from the EMA. After that, if you see the next blue candle or the coming blue candle eating the previous red candle, that is where you will enter buy long and take down this high. Okay, but right now just observe what is happening. Okay, because right now we are not looking for longs. In 4 hour we are doing this pullback thing. In 4 hour your trend is from here till here. Okay, so use your fib levels from here till here. Let the pullback happen to maybe 50% rejection from the EMA, then a confirmation blue candle, and then enter buy. Okay, so I think the beauty of the crypto is that you can trade on Saturday, Sundays as well. So maybe I'll keep you posted tomorrow as well. Subscribe, like, share the video, and I'll see you in my next. Till then, take care.